Let's see how to make rotating animated video. Start a new project and import the video. Set the video ratio. Bring the handle to the start of the video and click the freeze frame button. Go to Mask, click Add Mask and click Circle. Set the handle on the video section and add the Swirls mask. Copy the freeze frame and paste on top of the first frame. Reduce the size of the mask and then click on the first freeze frame and rotate it 3 times. Copy the second frame and paste on top of the second frame. Reduce the size of the mask. Now click on the second frame and rotate it 2 times. Copy the third frame and paste it on top of the third frame. Reduce the mask size. Rotate the third frame 1 time. Click on the first frame and bring the handle to the left side and click the keyframe button. Move the handle to the right side and click again the keyframe. Now rotate the image to get the original position. Click on the second frame and bring the handle to the left side. Click the keyframe and move the handle to the right side. Click the carry frame and rotate the image to the original position. Repeat the same for the next 2 frames. Click the last topmost frame and bring the handle to the left and click keyframe. Now move the handle to right side and rotate the innermost image for time and set to original position. The animated video is ready. Thank you for watching. Please visit again.